Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. We have completed all the chapters of the comprehensive book of Silver Zone Olympiad. Okay. Now we will do the previous year question papers in three-part videos. Actually, we know there are 35 questions in one previous year paper. So we will do it as 12, 12 and 11 questions in three-part videos. Okay. So watch all three videos of any previous year question paper. I will upload here three previous year question paper, that is 2023 set BB and then other two paper. Okay, stay tuned for those papers. So let's start with the questions of grade 7 previous year question paper 2023 set BB. Okay, question number 1. Arrange the following in descending order. If we have to arrange the unlike fractions in descending order, so our first process should be take the LCM and make the fraction with the common denominator as the LCM. But here you can see we have to take out the LCM of 15, 16, 17, 19 and 49, where most of them are co-prime numbers. So it's better to convert these fraction in the decimal format and then compare. It will take you less time. So 4 by 17, if you convert it as the decimal, so you can get it will be 0.23. 7 by 15, you will get 0.46. 3 by 16, you will get 0.18. 5 by, I'm writing here, 5 by 19. So you will get 0.18 and then 21 by 49. So you will get 0.42. Okay? 0.42. 5 by 19 it will be 0.26. I wrote it wrong. Wait. It will be your 0.26. Okay? Now we can check the 10th place and the 100th place of the decimal digits, and we can decide which one will be the smaller, which one will be the greater. Okay? So we have to write it in the descending order. So we will just write first the greatest value, and greatest value will be here 7 by 15, that is 0.46. So 7 by 15 is greater than 21 by 49 is greater than, or you can say, sorry, I'm just putting the comma here, is greater than 5 by 19 is greater than 4 by 17 is greater than 3 by 16. It is in the option number B. So first answer will be option B. Question number 2. If under root 4096 equal to 64, then the value of this and this. So 4096 is 64. So definitely 40.96 it will be your 6.4, and 0.4096 it will be your 0.64. If you add both of them, it will be your 6.40 after making it as the equivalent decimal plus 0.64. If we add it, 4, 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 7.04. It is available in the option number C. So second answer will be option C. Question number 3. The value of this is what? So we can see here there is the base 2, base 3, base 5 and base 6. So 6 can be break into 2 and 3, and 10 can be broken into 5 and 2, and 15 can be broken into 5 and 3. So let's write the expression again by breaking it. So 2 to the power x plus 3 multiply by 3 to the power 2x minus y multiply by 5 to the power x plus y plus 3 multiply by, I am just breaking it, 2 multiply by 3. So exponent will come on both the number. It will be your 2 to the power y plus 2 multiply by 3 to the power y plus 2. ठीक है, upon 6 to the power x plus 1. It will be again written as 2 to the power x plus 2 x plus 1, it is x plus 1 multiply by 3 to the power x plus 1 multiply by 2 to the power y plus 3 multiply by 5 to the power y plus 3 multiply by 3 to the power x multiply by 5 to the power x. Okay. Now, after checking the same basis, we will operate the exponents. Okay. So you can see here 2 to the power x plus 3 and y plus 2. Actually, here we can say these two have the same basis, so powers will be added. X plus 3 plus y plus 2, and there is the same basis again, so these power will be subtracted. So minus x minus 1 minus y minus 3. ठीक है, multiply by, now we will take the 3's power. तो 3 to the power, तो 3 के पावर हो जाएंगे आपके 2x minus y, ठीक है, and plus y plus 2, and again we have 2 3 here also, so it will be your minus x minus 1 minus x. Now we have 5 base. Okay, so just write multiply by 5 to the power x plus y plus 3. So x plus y plus 3, and again here, so minus y minus 3 minus x. ठीक है, now check it. देखो, which will be cancel out. Actually here it is x plus x and minus x. X cancel out, plus y minus y cancel out. Now we have plus 3 minus 3 cancel out. We have plus 2 and minus 1. So 2 minus 1, it will be 1 only. So 2 multiply by, not 2x minus x minus x. So all will be cancel out. Now minus y plus y cancel out. Plus 2 minus 1, only 1, multiply by 3. Now multiply by plus x minus y plus 3 minus 3. So 5 to the power 0. If 0 will be of any power, so it will be 1 only. So 3 2 is 6, multiply by 1, it will be 6 only. So option B is the correct answer. Third answer will be option B. Okay. Question number 3. Solve and write the answer. Okay. So how can we solve this one? So first we will convert all the denominators as the improper fraction as it is written in the mixed number. So if you convert it as the improper fraction, it will be your 1 upon 5 3s are 15 plus 4, 19 by 5 plus 1 upon 76 by 9 plus 1 upon 57 by 16 minus 1 upon 38 by 5. Now reciprocating all the fractions, it will be your 5 by 19 plus 9 by 76 plus 16 by 57 minus 5 by 38. Now take all the uh, denominators LCM. ठीक है? When you take the LCM of these denominators, so you will get LCM of 19, 76, 57 and 38 as 228. ठीक है? So now the next for all the fractions, the denominator will be 228. So numerator will change to 60 because we know that 19 sixes are sorry 19 12s are, so 12 fives are 60. In the same way, 9 by 76 will become your 27 by 220 plus it will become 64 by 228 minus 30 by 228. Take up. After adding these three and minus 30, you will get 121 upon 228. It is available in the option number C. The fourth answer will be option C. Question number 5. LCM of the number is this. Which of the following cannot be the HCF of two numbers? So HCF of any two number must be the factor of LCM. So we need to check these numbers are the factor or not. In the option A, 10,800 divided by 1080 equal to 10. Option B, we can see 10,800 divided by 1800, it will be your 6. Option C, 10,800 divided by 3,000, we will get 3.6. So we can say 3,000 is not the factor of this. So that's why 3,000 cannot be the HCF of the above said numbers. Fifth answer will be option C. Question number 6. Find the value of this if x equal to y equal to and z equal to is given. ठीक है, तो x cube, in place of x cube we will just write the value of the x. तो 1 का cube plus 2 का cube plus minus 1 का cube minus 3 into 1 into 2 into minus 1 upon x square. तो 1 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस 1 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1 इंटू 2 एक्स वाई माइनस वाई इंटू जी है तो 2 इंटू माइनस 1 माइनस जी इंटू तो माइनस 1 इंटू 1. ठीक है. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई दीज. तो 1 1 जा 1 1 जा 1 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 minus 1 and 3 2s are 6 or minus minus plus. So plus 6 it is upon 1 1s are 1 2 2s are 4 1 1s are 1 minus 2 1s are 2 plus 2 1s are 2 minus minus plus 1. 2 2 cancel out, 1 1 cancel out. It will be 8 plus 6 14. Denominator will be 7. 7 2s are 14. So 2 will be the answer. It is in the option number D. So sixth answer is option D. Question number 7. 4x plus 3y upon 6x plus 5y equal to this. Then find x is to y. We need to find x is to y. So just we can write this expression as take out the y common. It will be your 4 into x by y plus 3 upon y 6 into x by y plus 5 equal to 19 by 30. Y cancel out. ठीक है. Now simplify it. When you just simplify with the cross multiplication, so 34s are 120 x upon y plus 33s are 90 equal to 114 x upon y plus 19 fives are 95. ठीक है. Now we will just take the variables in the same side. 120 x upon y minus 114 x upon y and 95 minus 90. This implies 120 minus 114. 6 into x upon y equal to 5. So x is to y equal to 5 is to 6. It is in the option number D. So seventh answer will be option D. Question number 8. Simplify this. Okay. So first we will solve the innermost bracket, that is the smallest bracket. To copy other things here, minus 4p minus p plus middle bracket 2p plus 3q minus 4p minus 6p plus 4q middle bracket minus 3q big bracket. Again, middle bracket will be solved, minus 4p minus big bracket p, and middle bracket will be your 3q plus 4q. तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 7q and 2p minus 4p minus 6p minus 10p and p. तो we can just write here middle bracket हटा दो. Okay, so it will be your plus 3q plus 4q 7q or minus 8p, and middle bracket will remove, so it will be your 3q. ठीक है. Now 7q minus 3q 4q, and here it will be 7p. So minus 4p and minus 7p, and it is outside minus, so minus minus plus 7p. 7q minus 3q plus 4q. So when it will come out, it will be minus 4 cube. ठीक है. तो minus 4p plus 7p, तो 3p minus 4q. It is in the option number C. Eighth answer will be option C. Question number 9. X is to y equal to this. Find the value of 2x plus y upon x. So here we can write this expression as, take out the x common. So 2 plus y by x upon x. X cancel out. So 2 plus y by x. We know that x is to y 7 by 5. So y is to x 5 is to 7. Okay? So we can just write it as 2 plus 5 by 7. 7 2s are 14 plus 5 19 by 7. It is in the option number B. So ninth answer will be option B. Question number 10. 625% is equal to. So just write it as the fraction 625 upon 100 and simplify it. So 25 25s are 625 and 25 4s are 100. So 25 is to 4. It is in the option number C. So 10th answer is option C. Okay? Question number 11. What will be the simple interest on a sum of this after 3 years at the rate of 10% per annum? So we know that simple interest formula is principal, that is your 15,000, multiply by rate of interest, that is your 10%, and time in year, that is your 3 upon 100. 100 cancel. 15 3s are 45. 4,500 rupees will be the simple interest. It is in the option number B. So 11th answer is option B. Question number 12. On selling an article for rupees 800, a shopkeeper loses 20%. In order to gain 10%, what would be the selling price? So in the case 1, selling price is given, that is your 800, and loss percent is given, that is your 20%. So we can find out the cost price considering this these data. So cost price will be 100 upon 100 minus loss percentage, that is your 20%. multiply by CSP, that is your 800. This implies 100 upon 80 multiplied by 800. 80 cancel, 8 ones are 10s are. So 1000 rupees is the cost price of that article. So now we have to just find the selling price. The case 2 or the condition 2 is the profit percent should be 10%. ठीक है, तो in this case SP will be your CP, that is your 1000 plus 10% of CP. So 1 cancel, 10 tens are 100, it will be your 1100. If the article will be sold at rupees 1100, so shopkeeper can get 10% of the profit. 12th answer will be option C. Okay. Okay, now we have completed the first part of the video. Stay tuned for the other two parts of the video. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.